Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Salam sejahtera. Tachaho and Vanakam. Thank you for visiting and making this Aeon Mall Taman Maluri your one-stop center, your favorite shopping mall. Everything you need are here. Voice of this event. MC Ren is always a good time. We brought to you our special campaign, Rewards Bonanza Carnival, brought to you by Aeon Credit. Ladies and gentlemen, kita memperkenalkan Aeon Member Plus Credit Card. MPCC, the must-have card at Aeon. We are making sure your shopping experience is much better and much rewarding ever before. First credit card in Malaysia that fully integrate membership privilege into the retail spending. The moment you tap it, the moment you use it, you are enjoying the member benefits, the reward seamlessly. We're conscious about our planet. Our Aeon credit card is made from PLM material, sustainable and also bio-based material. Alright, so greener choice for our planet. You just come over here because we got our friendly staff. They kindly says you everything you need to know about the MPCC. You can get our exclusive tote bag from Christy Ng. Those that spend 250 ringgit, you are eligible entitled to join our spin and win. And also, bring home amazing prizes there such as iPad 2025 11th generation, Xiaomi robot vacuum,